Hi guys, welcome back to RV Adventures, Todd's World, and I'm out here tonight in Florida, someplace in Florida, and we are full-time RVing currently at the time. As you know, or may not know, if you've been following the channel, you probably know that we're in the middle of selling our homestead, our house, primary house we live in. So we're hanging out here for a little bit. We don't know for how long, but you know, we may wait till the sale ends, or we may just go ahead and travel up north a bit and get some of that nice, decent, cooler weather. But right now it is starting to cool down here in October, and I'm doing a few projects around the RV here. And why I'm coming to you at night is because it is a night feature that I'm working on. It's our awning lights. Now, as you know, I hate doing projects more than one time. This is really getting to me. And this is a project that I'm having to do once over again, only a year later. And it's from, you know, some cheaper product that I purchased off of Amazon. It's from some LED light strips on our awnings. And as you can see, I'm going to be replacing these light strips because they were starting to turn yellow, and some of the individual LEDs were starting to actually burn out completely. So that's what I'm going to be doing here today. And I'm going to show you the product that I used last year to do this. And I apologize for people that have already, you know, purchased that product and put on their RV. If something happens to it, the same thing happened to mine. I apologize, but this is the new product. I'll leave the link below, and you can always follow me, right? You can always follow me. You know, maybe next year this product will fail. I don't know, but I put mine in tracks with a plastic diffuser cover over it, so that I can easily pop that plastic cover off and replace them. So I recommend that for sure, so that you can easily replace them. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, and stick around. We'll get into it.
Tonight, throw that thing from left, right, side to side. Yeah. All my friends are here, playing my favorite song right on top. Yeah. And we never stop. Music pumping, we just keep on rolling. Yeah.
Alright guys, up here with the rear awning lights. I got the old ones removed. I just had to peel off some rubber clear silicone I had on each end and around where the seams were. But they came off pretty good, and I just ripped off the old discolored LED strip. And now I'm testing the new one. This is like a neon strip light. So there's not individual bulbs, so we should be able to correct that one issue where some of the bulbs were yellow, some were still white. This is a continuous, like a neon strip. So I just tapped in. Let me show you. I just tapped into the connector. I'm still using the old connector here, and cut the old one off, or the the one that came with it, and then spliced in the original connector so that I can plug it into the original end there that comes out of the top of the awning track here. So let me get this all stuck up here in place, and get the diffuser panel stuck back on. We'll see how it looks tonight. Okay, they're going up pretty good, and that's the rest of the roll there, and we can cut them off like it's about every inch. So guys, this is the new LED strip I got. It's like a continuous LED, like I said, like a neon strip, not individual lights that you can see. And I'll leave the link to this in the video description below. So I got everything hung up out here now. I just got to put my tools and stuff away. Just had my electrical connections out and stuff. I still got some left on this roll, but it's not enough to do that long strip there. These come in 16.4 feet long, and this one's all wrapped up, all done. I got the diffuser lens on, easy for me to say, and let me just turn it on now and see what it looks like. So it's looking really good. Nice crisp white light. I like it. We'll see how it looks again darker at night tonight. Right now I'm going to clean up everything. All right, let's go out and check, see how these awning lights look. I just did the rear ones today. Wanted to see how these turned out before I do the front ones. So as you can see behind me, they're looking good. Let me turn around here. Nice. So nice. Crisp white, and it's a solid white line. I don't see the individual LEDs. They call these a COB strip, COB LED strip. So I got the rear ones back here still. So I'm gonna open up my app for the Outlaw Mirror app. And we'll turn them on to compare. Go to lights, front awning. There's the front awning. And now that awning, see, it's rolling up kind of saggy. But there they are. See how they're yellowish right there? And then back here, they're spotty yellow and white, but mostly white. And let's get back here. Take a look and do a comparison. Okay, looks like I got to put out the awning a little bit here. There we go. Bright white and then white yellowish. So tomorrow I'm going to go ahead and replace the front section. So all of you that followed my link in the video last year when I replaced these awning lights, I replaced the factory ones with these awning lights, and they were bright white before. But they're individual LEDs that you could see through the fusion lens, but they didn't hold up. They're turning yellow and starting to burn out each individual LED one at a time. So now I'll leave the link to these. These are promising. I think I'm going to be happy with these, but you know, subscribe, follow the channel, see the results. And I got a couple other I'm getting a light here. I got a couple other modifications I have to do to the Outlaw this week or next week. So make sure you subscribe and tune in. I've got to install, well, actually adjust my touch screen, Android screen on the front that I installed when we first got the Outlaw. It's sitting too low, so I can't see the air conditioner controls or the buttons. So I'm going to go ahead and mount that up higher, kind of like on the dash of the front here. And I got like a little cover, a dash radio housing cover that I'm going to install and run the wire up higher so that the screen is up a little bit higher. So that's a project. And another project I got is some solar RV cameras so that when we're towing back here, I can see our new tow vehicle, the Blazer, because I want to keep an eye on that while we're towing. And that comes with, I think, 3 or 4 cameras. So I got a couple other cameras I put in separate places, maybe looking down the sides. And it comes with its own screen, so I can have the cameras up at all times. And I can use my Android screen for controlling the maps and stuff. So stick around, we'll see how that goes. Well guys, I hope you liked the video today. LED light strips look like they're going to be great. As you saw, the rear one turned out great. Tomorrow I'm going to go ahead and do the front strip on it because I am very, very satisfied with it. I like the looks of it. The nice COB strip, they call it the COB strip, where it's a nice neon tube looking strip. Very impressive, and I like it. So we're going to go ahead and do the front section as well and get that all tidied up and finished off. And any of you guys following me, or me and Cheryl on the channel, and the 2 doggies, we are still working on selling our home. We did get an offer last week. It was a lowball offer, and we counter offered, and they decided to walk away. But we had lots of showings since then, so we've got our fingers crossed. We'll get a sale on it soon. Thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos, and I'll see you on the next one.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, how to reach
What do you think, doggies? You like full-time RVing now?
This ain't where I belong.
What do you think, Piggy Pants? Yeah, you like it? You like going on little car rides, right? Little car rides? Yeah, I know.
I've been running east.
Carly likes resting. We've already gone outside for the night, potties. And they had their pocket treats.
What
Right
I
hands.
thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight all along. I think it's time for me to go burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way.